Yes, what better way to start off a lap 3 series without tutorial. But yeah, as promised, lap 3, doing it as the noise now, so yeah, let's go. Let's hope we can breeze through this. It's only lap 3, plus it's the noise, so this should really not take me that... I'm gonna say this series should take me about a month max. Let's just say that. It depends on my editing speed, but really, it's not gonna take me that long. It shouldn't. It really shouldn't. Anyways, let's go. Lap 3, instantly. Let's go. Also, new music. Okay, I know the strategy here. It's like... Oh, boy. Oh! Oh, my... Again. Okay, there we go. You got to be really fast with it. You know what I mean? Anyways, play your cards right. Oh, boy. Okay, almost went to the lap portal. Phew. Alright guys, let's see if we can get this P rank. I doubt it because I skipped like most of the points on the first secret, but you never know. Okay, official first, the first official lap 3 of this series. So let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, every time. Alright, I think we got it. You guys have faith? You guys have faith? That's all that matters. Let's go. Okay, you guys had faith. Thank you very much. This part of the song goes so hard, though. I lost my combo, but who cares? Bam! Okay. Yeah. Like lapped. Let's go. W lap screen, for real. Here we go. Why don't I have the P rank again? Huh. Okay, maybe she's not kicked in yet. Let's go. Ooh, almost lost it right there, not gonna lie. Okay, let's go. Hold on, I have to itch my freaking heel. Okay, let's go. My bad. If I play my cards right, okay, P rank. If I just don't be stupid, I got this. Alright, just don't be stupid, okay? Okay, stop being stupid. Let's go. Ah! Oh my god. I hate that part so much. Oh, it's because I have the P rank. It's extra. It's extra. Let's go. Damn. Dude, he didn't even get a chance to catch up to me right there. Laps. Let's freaking go. I'm getting lapped that bad. I mean, I got the P rank and everything. How do you get lapped that bad? All right, here we go. Lap 3. I forgot a topping, the cheese topping specifically. So no P rank yet. Chat, I was about to say, does that work? Oh my god. All checkpoints, fight me for it. Oh, so close, so close on. I want to try and make my own strategy, but I also don't want to be here for too long. So, yeah. Let's try, like... Oh my... Oh, just imagine that, though. Oh! No, okay, I was gonna lose the P rank anyways. Oh man, I will have it one of these days though. One of these days I will have it. The lap 3 P rank will be real, I promise. Oh my god, stop doing that, please. I need a tip. Standing where a secret eye once was makes pizza face pause. Some levels could have this used advantages. Dude, I would recommend you use none of the strategies I use, by the way. Just wanted to let you guys know that. These are highly unrecommended. They're only recommended if you are stupid like me. Okay. Okay, finally. Thank God. Don't you dare sell now. Come on now. Good part of the song's coming up, by the way. This is one of them, for sure. Okay, this is it, right here. Oh, I forgot him. Okay, we gotta go back. We gotta go back for him. Oh, wait, I already have it. Let's go. I'm sorry. Wait. Okay, you know what? P rank to P rank. We left him behind 80%. Well, who cares? Also, yes, I used all checkpoints. Fight me. Oh no! I don't care. What am I doing? What am I doing? Time for a show. Let's go. Special guest showdown. The song has actually grown on me. I didn't think it was that good at first, but it's actually kind of growing on me, not gonna lie. Anyways, final lap of this episode or so. Uppercut, uppercut, uppercut. Oh, I uppercutted though. Imagine if that was first attempt. Can you just imagine? Oh, it's all because I wanted to get the topping. Why am I so empathetic? Sympathetic, whatever the word is. Why? Why do I care so much for freaking pixels on a screen? I care too much. I'm too much nice of a person that got me killed. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Oh my God, I was going crazy, but I don't even know why he bounced right there. I mean, shouldn't he have? I mean, I don't know why he like hit the wall. Shouldn't he have bounced? I mean, I don't know, but damn, that was a good ass attempt.
Allow me to dissect the essence of King Buck's comedic masterpiece.
Don't do anything I just did, by the way. I don't even know what I did myself. What am I doing? Dude, I didn't mean to uppercut. What? Okay, we're gonna keep it. I totally did that on purpose, guys. Die. I mean, I wish I would have got the topping, but who cares? Alright, Dude, okay, I played too much. I played too much. And most importantly, did I tell you guys, did I play too much? Anyways, lapped. Yeah, that's basically the episode. So yeah. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next, whatever lap 3 video we do, and, deuces.